In this tech-heavy age, manufacturing companies face a constant optimization struggle. It takes a lot of time, effort, and expertise for supply planners to map out the perfect optimization strategy to follow. From our experience, problems like material shortages, pipeline errors, and faulty end products are common occurrences during all stages of manufacturing. For example, for you to receive your new phone on time, the manufacturer needs to produce enough phones to satisfy the demand and not keep the customers waiting. But when materials are scarce, this may turn into an issue that could lead to customer dissatisfaction and even revenue loss. Here's how our clear-to-build solution can help the manufacturer fulfill their demand in this case. So, we enter the solution and we navigate to the optimization sheet. Here we'll see two bar charts on the left, indicating the number of units to be produced and their production cost. Then, we see the optimization panel on the right. This is where the magic happens. The situation for this manufacturing plant is relatively simple. They need to produce 8 phones. However, their supply planner's production plan is not meeting this demand. Here's where our tool comes into play. By widening the supply planner's perspective, they can optimally allocate resources to produce 7 phones, one short of the total demand. Usually the process would stop here, and the 7 phones produced would be shipped. However, we can also give recommendations for an ad hoc resupply of only the crucial materials for the production of the last phone, thus resulting in 100% demand satisfaction. It's really that easy to use our clear-to-build solution to optimize your processes. So in the end, you can enjoy awesome benefits like a seamless integration of our solution into your current processes, maximize production and efficiency during times of material shortage, and also minimized costs. So contact us and we can get you started on optimizing every key aspect of your process pipeline.